I'm Joyce Dalley. I actually moved to Rockdale, bought my house, 2007. But I have been visiting Rockdale since, probably the late 70s, early 80s. So people look at me and think, oh, she's a native. I also am still involved with a lot of things within the community. And even though I don't serve on council anymore, I still have people who call me and ask me questions or come and knock at my door and want to know what do you think about this or that. It's such positive information that we really need. I think I'm going to go kiss the ground when they start to do this work, because it's a long time coming and a long time needed.